All my fellas. All my fellas.
Text it on Discord,
Yo. It's peak content. Don't you agree? Well, peak content?
Yes. What are you trying to say, bro? That's not so good.
No, man, that's good. You know, gotta bulk up. Yo, what the heck? Can I get a Bumble Hui?
It's like I can't guard him, but he can't guard me. So it's like. Hi, Brandon Wong. Hi, guys.
Look at my
You're
eyes.
my.
I'm almost there.
How you doing? Oh, I'm struggling. This guy's tipping. He's
Yes.
Bro, that's 4 plates. 4 plates and then... You haven't done it before? I haven't tried it yet. What? Brandon's so handsome. Oh my. Keep the depth, though. Yeah. Did he get me? Did he? Yeah. Look at that. I've done everything. I see them. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You want to center it in your stance. Don't have too wide of a stance. So then to practice that. Yep. Up. Oh.
Hi, vlog.
Where's your hot tub too? So a step further. Not too far, but far enough where you can hold it still.
The Charlie Gats. Give me a piece of that. Ooh. Yeah. It's John Winwood.
What's up?
What's your name?
Jonathan.
What are you doing here today?
I don't know. What am I supposed to do here?
Bro, you suck, bro.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that strong man.
Core team member.
Who do we have here? Who do we have here?
Bro.
We have Josh. He's flying a kite right now, it seems.
Number 1.
I am Nathan Lee.
Bro, what are we doing? What are we doing right now?
We're struggling, bro.
Strong individual,
Rank 1, Hannah
holding it
Huang.
down.
Hungry with Hannah.
Guys,
Who do we have here?
Hungry with Hannah. Oh, I'm Hannah. Sorry.
How long have you been here?
Put it close and then use
We've
those to
been here
pull it
since
tight.
1.
And what have you been doing?
We've been catching up, talking, chatting.
So what are you gonna do
We're
today?
gonna dig in the sand first.
Today we're gonna win some games in volleyball. We're gonna have fun, fellowship. Yeah, all the good stuff.
Anyways, what's up?
Sam Cho, Sam Cho, Sam Cho.
Sam Cho.
I had Olive Garden
number one
today.
Sam Cho number 1. No, Sam Cho number 1.
I ran the Zuppas. I ran them up, ran them out of their money.
Really?
Yep.
How many did you eat? Wait, that's lame.
Zigs.
Swallow.
Fizz.
And so
George.
today we're gonna be doing a bonfire with double A. The sand. How does it taste? Nasty.
Number 1 chicken enjoyer. Number 2 chicken enjoyer. I think number 1 is
Hi, vlog.
Let's check out Peter.
this guy.
Hello. Oh my. Wait, I was kind of tough. He wasn't even filming.
Life's better on Saturn. Oh. All right, guys. Today we're at the beach, and this is double A bonfire, and we're about to
I thought, yeah.
get out of here. I'm the host.
I hate you.
Football prospect of the nation right here. Hello.
Okay, hi. So, welcome back. Today we're gonna interview Jason Kim from Illinois.
Hi, my name is Jason Kim. I am a first year looking for internships and job opportunities, please. The CS might no, please, I need money, please.
Doing?
I'm making the spike ball thing.
How's your day?
Okay.
Nice.
The big one's available. No, I have to commit to it. Well. What do we have here? Close it up. I got you. What are you doing? Interview this. What are you doing?
Look what I found. It's super cool shell. And it's Shelly.
Bye, Shelly.
We are going to be going into the water, right? Full body.
Push him in. Push him. Jason, grab him. Throw him wet.
I've never seen him run so fast. Hanging out, Eunice.
Yo, these guys are actually going into the water.
So we're gonna be smashing this poor child right here. It's gonna get absolutely blasted in pieces by the end of 30 minutes. All right, everyone, we're gonna be smashing the watermelon. Jackie is our first volunteer. She's blindfolded. She's going to be holding this bat, and you guys will give her directions to the watermelon. Yeah. Got it. No!
Go straight.
180.
Let's go. Who is that? Where my hug at?
Where my hug at?
3 more sets.
What else do I do?
Get the football.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a photo?
The shiesty.
Wait, that's actually fire.
Yeah, the shiesty.
You are bad.
Watch this.
He's gonna burn it.
Smell like ash now.
Oh. Boomed it. Boom it. Mic'd up.
I want to be mic'd up.
Mic'd up.
So tired.
Big mouth.
Okay.
No, I don't want to do it anymore.
Do it.
I'm shy.
Do it.
Dude, no, but I want to enjoy the ice cream.
He said, when's my first time?
Booming. Metro booming. Want some more?